What does comprehensive immigration reform actually mean? Have you ever wondered what comprehensive immigration reform really means? This topic is essential as we look at the future of immigration reform efforts and how liberal ideology shapes these discussions. Comprehensive immigration reform is about creating a fair and organized immigration system. It focuses on the realities faced by undocumented immigrants living in the United States while ensuring a humane and practical legal framework. One of the main goals is to address the status of approximately 12 million people living in the country without legal status. Instead of mass deportations, which many see as impractical, reform proposes a system where these individuals can register with the government. They would undergo background checks and meet specific requirements, such as learning English, paying taxes, and having no serious criminal record. Those who qualify would have the chance to apply for legal permanent residency and eventually citizenship. This approach is often referred to as earned legalization, helping people step out of the shadows and integrate into society. Another key aspect is providing legal protections and rights for immigrants. A just immigration system must protect immigrants from exploitation and ensure they have access to basic civil and human rights. This includes fair labor protections and the ability to settle and thrive in their communities. Comprehensive reform would create legal pathways not only for undocumented immigrants but also for future immigrants, meeting the economy's labor needs without sacrificing fairness. Special provisions often accompany comprehensive reform. For example, the Development, Relief, and Education for Alien Minors Act offers legal status to young people brought to the United States as children. Additionally, the Agricultural Job Opportunities, Benefits, and Security Act addresses the needs of agricultural workers and employers. These targeted programs recognize the unique circumstances of different immigrant populations. Balancing enforcement with fairness is another essential element. While enforcing immigration laws is necessary, it should be done with fairness and due process in mind. The goal is to create an orderly and humane system that respects the rule of law. This includes sensible border security measures that do not undermine the rights of migrants. A clear pathway to citizenship is central to comprehensive immigration reform. It allows undocumented immigrants who meet specific criteria to become full members of the community. This reflects the belief that immigrants who contribute to society and follow the law should have the opportunity to become citizens. Finally, comprehensive reform aims to integrate immigrants socially and economically. This means allowing them to contribute fully to the country's prosperity and cultural richness. Access to education, healthcare, and social services is vital for this integration. In practical terms, comprehensive immigration reform is seen as necessary to resolve the failures of the current immigration system. It promotes social cohesion, economic growth, and upholds human dignity by creating a legal framework that acknowledges the realities of immigration. This approach emphasizes inclusion and rights, which are foundational to a democratic society.